In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open draw.io XML files. If you've received a diagram saved as a .xml or .drawio file, the easiest way to view and edit it is right in your browser using draw.io, also known as diagrams.net. You don't need to install anything, and these steps work on Windows, macOS, and Linux. First, open your browser and go to app.diagrams.net. The site may ask where you want to store your diagrams the first time you visit. If you're just opening a file that's already on your computer, you can choose the device or local option. If your diagram lives in cloud storage, select the matching provider and grant permission so draw.io can load it. Next, use the menu at the top and go to File, then Open From. This is the straightforward way to load a file from your computer or from connected cloud storage. If you are browsing locally, pick your .xml or .drawio file and confirm. If you're opening from the cloud, navigate to the folder where your file lives. When the file loads, it will open as its own diagram. If you already had something on the canvas, you may be prompted to replace it, so save your work first if needed. You can also open files even faster by dragging and dropping them straight onto the canvas in your browser. Just locate the .xml or .drawio file in your file explorer, drag it over the page, and release. Draw.io will detect the diagram and load it automatically. This is handy when you don't want to click through menus. If you drop a file onto a diagram that already has content, check the prompt carefully so you don't accidentally overwrite anything you want to keep. If you want to add a diagram into one you're already working on, use File, then Import From. Import brings the contents of the XML into your current document instead of replacing it. This is great for combining diagrams, reusing a template, or pasting in a library of shapes you've built before. After import, you can reposition elements, organize layers, or merge styles so everything feels consistent. Once your diagram is open, remember to save your work. Use File, then Save or Save As to keep it as a .drawio file, or export to create a PNG, SVG, PDF, or other format for sharing. If the diagram has multiple pages, switch between them using the page tabs at the bottom. And if something doesn't look right, try View, then Zoom to fit to quickly center your work. That's all you need to open and work with Draw.io XML files confidently.